Hey guys, 7X here with markerbits.com. Package 6 of 6 from Michael Phillips. Tech PB, markerbits.com. I got myself a Dye DM series. I can't see it. Dye DM series multi-tool kit. Let's open it up. Wow, this thing's pretty cool. So it has a dude. To be honest, I don't even know if it's standard or it's standard or metric. But so it's got your standard Allen keys right here. On one side, and then on the other side, forgot this big one right here. Let's see. So there's your standard key set, and it's 1/4 inch, 3/16, 5/32, 1/8, 3/32, 5/64, and 1/16, and also a 0.05 inch key. And on the other side, let me open this up. So first we have here we go. Had to focus it. First we have like an O-ring puller or something. Second, probably used for the same thing. Third, I don't know what that is. I see. Oh, that's really neat. It's a blade, but it has like a little protective cover as well. So that's awesome. I haven't actually seen that in any like Leatherman or multi-tool kit thing. This probably for the burst disc or something. I don't know what that's for. Tying up something. Yeah, for the bruise. That's cool. And it's also for a screwdriver. That I don't know. And this one is the little mini Phillips, and here's that 0.05 Allen key. So there you have it. It's a Dye multi-tool kit. It's very neat. Don't know how good the metal is, but we'll give it a shot because I'm used to my snap-on tools. So I mean, it might be a downgrade, but at least it's in a little handy toolkit you can just carry and not have to worry about looking for keys and all that stuff at the park. But there you have it. Oh, well, actually, hold on. I forgot to tell you the price. So always 0 shipping, 0 taxes, and I paid a total of 50 cents for this. There you have it, Dye Paintball Multitool. Closing date is 6/07, shipping date 6/13, and today is the 15th. So that shipped a lot faster, like I said in the previous video, but it's also a lot smaller package compared to a box. So there you have it. Thanks, guys.